This YouTuber built Hiccup's flaming sword, but could it actually work? Hiccup's Inferno sword doesn't just light up, it bursts into flames on command. But making that happen in real life, that's where things got tricky. First, he needed a safe but powerful fuel source. He tested different options, but the first attempts either didn't ignite properly or burned out too quickly. After multiple failures, he found the perfect solution: butane, a gas that could create a controlled yet dramatic flame. However, just making a flame wasn't enough. The sword needed to ignite instantly, just like in the movie. To solve this, he installed an electric ignition system inside the hilt. The wiring had to withstand high heat without melting. After carefully designing the internal components, it was time for the big test. He flicked the switch, and the sword erupted in flame.